Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me yet, I am Donabelia. And thank you for all my subscribers and my viewers. And thank you for supporting me. And for today will be a continuation of our previous video, which was about the butterfly pea flower benefits. No? Today we're going to make a a butterfly pea flower tea. No, gagawa tayo ng asul na tsaa mula sa ternate. Dito tawag sa atin is ternate. So, ang mga kailangan natin or are the things we need are, first, we must have this ternate flour. Then, stainless casserole where we are going to cook afterwards. Then, we need a chopping board, this one, a knife for this lemon. We need a spoon to scoop the sugar afterwards because we are going to use sugar. Gagamit tayo ng asukal. Sunod, gagamit tayo ng pitcher. At saka, baso. So, ang gagawin natin ay, na-discuss natin noon na walang overdose nito. This is very safe to drink. No? But to be sure that no overdose, we will estimate only 5 flowers per glass. So, because I am planning to make 6 glasses of this butterfly pea flower tea, I prepared 30 flowers of it. So, what we are going to do is, we are going to wash this. Now, we will wash this butterfly pea flower or ternate to get the pollen grains and the dust. Okay? Then, we will shake to take the water. Then, we will put to boiling water. I have here already boiling water. So, we will put now our butterfly pea flower. Okay. So, as usual, I'm using stainless casserole so that the elements that are present in this butterfly pea flower or ternate will not be damaged, because that is the way we should do in making tea. We must use stainless casserole or utensils so that the elements present on the tea or herbal what's this material that we are cooking will not be damaged. Okay, so we will cover now and we will let this boil for 10 minutes. Ipakuluan natin ng 10 minuto. Finished boiling for 10 minutes. We will take this now. I have already taken from the fire. To make this cool very, very fast, we will put ice cubes so that we can drink quickly. Okay. It's making the job short. While waiting this tea to cool down, we will slice the lemon. We will slice like this thin only. put sugar. And our tea now is already cold. Yes, cold. We will put now in a pitcher.
Wow.
Wow, just enough. So, mix the sugar. While waiting this butterfly pea flower tea or glutamate tea to melt with the sugar we put, let's recall first the benefits you can get from this butterfly pea flower tea. So as we can remember, this is a good brain enhancer, good for the skin health, for the hair health, lowers blood sugar, and good for the heart. And this is mixed with drinks by the mixologist, and the topmost is that this is very rich in antioxidants, which is responsible for the cleansing of our body. And since there is no overdose according to the authors or the dietitians that I have read over, or when I go over in Google, but there's a suggestion I was able to read that we must take this once a week only, maybe to make the sugar, or too much drinking could be make our sugar level very low. And this is very safe, but for pregnant women, sa mga buntis, you must consult your doctor first before taking this butterfly pea flower tea. Okay, we will try drinking now. We will put some of this tea on a glass. Tikman natin. Wow. Oh, I really enjoy the color. No, nakakasaya yung color. Okay. And also, some studies show that this butterfly pea tea also makes our mood good. No, it is a mood lifting drink. So this is very excellent drink.
Wow.
Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our video and you learned something. The benefits you can get from this butterfly pea flower tea. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, especially to others, so that they may also have some idea about the benefits you can get from this butterfly pea flower tea or glutamate tea. Okay, so maraming salamat po, and see you on my next video. God bless and bye-bye!